A reminder, the NVDA screen reader is on for audio users so they can follow along. Hello, I'm Christopher, and I'm the inventor and owner of Speaking Access. So the first thing you'll experience is the introduction. Access introduction.
Thank you for giving me a try. Put simply, I was designed to help. I look forward to getting to know your voice. I would appreciate your patience, as it may take a couple of emails or notes before I am used to your voice. Here are a few pointers to make our experience together better. Do not let another user use this voice profile. Create another Windows user and set up this software there. This will create another speech profile for that user. You should be able to place 2 fingers between the microphone of your headset and your lips. When speaking to me, do so as if you are reading a book to a child. A slight pause between each word is what allows me to serve you better. Remember that I am designed to work with NVDA screen reader. Please note, you do not have to yell at me. Just talk to me at a volume that is little less than room level conversation. If you get lost, just try to remember, access help.
Show notepad.
Start demo to notepad.
Show
Text
WordPad.
editor edit 5 reasons for access WordPad window. Rich text window edit
Down key.
multi-line blank. 2 unlike
Select
past versions
3 lines
of
below.
Windows. I would
3
understand
lines
you.
selected below.
Selected.
So what I'm trying to accomplish here is that I've got a list of things that when I first started inventing Access that I want to accomplish, and this is the one I want to go over first. When you first come into Access, Speaking Access, you'll get a what's called the microphone test, and that is simply a way to train it. And it's mostly Microsoft that's done it. They've improved their speech to text. The only thing I've done is spent a lot of time in studying the audio and the feedback issues you get. And so this is the only. Let's read the question. Hey, read selection.
2. Unlike past versions of Windows, I would like it easier to train the computer to understand you.
Microphone test.
Speak slower, and pause slightly between each word. When I say go, please repeat after me until I say stop. I will keep going even if you do not get it right. Ready, go. South America.
South America.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein.
December 4th, 1986.
December 4th, 1986.
Numeral 1022.
Numeral 1022.
Life is short. Live passionately, period.
Life is short. Live passionately, period.
Stop, thank you. Main menu loading. When in doubt, access help. For available commands, access menu. Ready.
Up key 5 times.
Blank.
Down key.
1 easy access
Select
to help
line
if you
2
get
lines
lost,
below.
or your
Select 2 lines below.
2 lines selected down.
Read selection.
1. Easy access to help if you get lost, or you're just a beginner.
So that's the second thing we wanted to do. Oh, I'll go back. I think I might be going in. I think might be rushing it a little bit. So the last question, number 2, was unlike past versions of Windows, I would like it easier to train the computer to understand you. Well, that is that microphone test is the only thing you're going to have to do when you come in. Every time you start it, you'll go through that test, and that's it. So it's a lot easier than people who have experienced Windows 7 and the training that you go through. A lot easier. So anyways, let's go back to the question. I'll try to slow down a little bit. I'm just kind of excited, I guess. Let's go back to the first question. Read selection.
1. Easy access to help if you get lost, or you're just a beginner.
Show access.
Speaking access.
Access help.
You are in the main task area. To access the main menu, please say the following, access menu. For a lesson on how to use the menu, just state, how to use the menu. For all of the available lessons, say, access lesson plan. As you explore this program, it is suggested that you say, access help, as you enter each new area. For example, if you want to start dictating, you would say, open post mode. Then, because it is your first time, would say, access help, which will provide you with the basic information you need to start. Finally, please remember, not to speak too quickly. Main task area is now ready.
So each part of the inside the program, like when you go into the dictating area or the main task area or the spelling or the menu, they will all have a help feature. So that if you get lost, because it is based on an audio program, you just say that command, access help, and it'll basically report in. So let's go back and let's go back to the list, shall we? Show WordPad.
5 reasons for access WordPad
Down key.
window. Blank.
We're done with that question.
1 easy access to help if you get
Down
lost
key 4
or
times.
you're just a beginner. Blank.
Select 5 lines below.
The
And
5
easy to
lines down
remember voice
selected.
commands.
Read selection.
Select
3. It is difficult to remember the almost 400 shortcut keys to run a Windows computer. Replace these shortcut keys with natural and easy to remember voice commands.
So I'll have to leave that one to you to decide if by the end of this video, if you feel that the commands that we've created to replace shortcut keys like Control Copy, Alt Tab, we hope they're natural. So, but you'll be the decider in the end. So let's go to the next question. Down key.
blank.
Select 6 lines below.
Down
Execute
6
the
lines
command.
Read
selected.
selection.
4. Put these voice commands in an organized and easily referenced menu that is instantly available without moving away from where you are and being able to execute the command from the menu.
Show Notepad.
Star demo to Notepad.
Show access.
Text editor edit. Speaking access.
So what we're going to do is we'll go into the menu, and the first thing we'll do is ask for help, okay? Access menu.
Have loaded main menu. 6 items in list.
Access help.
You are currently in the menu. For a lesson on how to use it, say the following, how to use the menu. Please remember, you do not have to wait for me to finish reading the entire menu. Once you hear what you want, be sure to interrupt me. For a list of the menu commands, please say the following, menu commands. To exit the menu, either speak the command you are looking for, or just state, exit menu. To hear the loaded menu, just state, access repeat menu. Now ready.
So that was just the help feature, and before we go into the blah blah of how it works, we'll just go find a command. I thought it'd be kind of fun. Access comes with a bunch of sound effects, right? So let's go find the sound effects and we'll trigger it. Okay? So access repeat menu.
Main menu. 1 speaking access commands.
Speaking access commands.
Now in speaking access commands. 5 items in list. 1 commands to know. 2 post mode commands. 3 word box commands. 4 access sound effects.
Access sound effects.
Now in access sound effects. 3 items in list. 1 drum roll please.
Drum roll, please. So there you go. That's how it works. So what command you're looking for, you just say the menu, the access menu command, and that'll go into the menu, and well, that's the way it did it. So let's just go over basically how it works. I'll go to the main menu again and have it read out to you, and describe to you what's going on, okay? Access menu.
Now in main menu. 6 items in list. 1 speaking access commands. 2 screen reader menu. 3 lesson plan. 4 accessing the internet. 5 Windows email. 6 navigate my computer.
Okay, so you'll notice that when I'm saying the command or the folder or the list that I want, I'm not saying the number. You're not supposed to say like 1 speaking access commands. What that's designed to do is give it a number so that it's easier to keep track of. But what the number is meant to do is if you want a description of what's in that folder or a description of what that command is. Or, for example, say that we want to do description 5.
Whether you're sending an email or trying to organize your mail folders, this is the place to go.
So if you want a description of the item that's in the menu, you just add the word description and then the number. So right now we want, like, there's a folder called, I don't want to save it. The folder is Navigate My Computer. I'm going to say the number next to it, which is 6, and add the word description, and it'll answer what that is. Description 6. Description 6.
Everything to do with navigating around your computer. Includes volume controls, moving around your desktop, and document commands like file and edit, as an example.
So, if as you go through all the menu items, you'll if you're curious about what it is, just say the description with a number, and it'll answer as best as it can to say what that is. So why don't we go over the menu commands so that give you a good idea of what your controls are. So no matter when you are, pardon me, itchy nose, no matter where you are, all in the menu, all you have to do is say menu commands.
Have loaded menu commands. 7 items in list. 1 access menu. 2 go home. 3 go back. 4 close menu. 5 search menu. 6 access repeat menu. 7 description number commands.
So as you can see, quite a yeah. So if you want to go home.
Have loaded main menu.
Accessing the internet.
Now in accessing the internet. 3 items in list.
Go back.
Presently in main menu. 6 items in list. 1 speaking access commands.
So then you can just interrupt and just start talking. So that's how you navigate the menu. I'll go through, I want to show you another command, and we'll go through that again. I want to go through, I just want to go through a little bit of navigating the desktop, that we can do that. But before we do that, I just want to show you one more thing about the menu that I like, in that you don't always have to say access menu, and you don't always have to go to the same, you don't have to go through that all the time. What it's meant is so that you can go and remember something. So close menu.
Main task area. Ready.
The only way I can say it is, instead of saying access menu, say that you're in the browser and you want the browser commands. You don't have to go access menu, internet thing, whatever. You just say browser commands.
Have loaded browser commands. 5 items in list. 1 common browser commands.
Close menu.
Main task area. Ready.
So all I had to do is, instead of saying access menu, I said the browser commands command thingy, and then to make another point, navigate my computer.
Now in navigate my computer. 8 items in list. 1 volume commands. 2 switch program commands. 3 common window commands. 4 desktop commands. 5 window document commands. 6 voice keyboard. 7 voice keyboard.
Desktop commands.
Now in desktop commands. 6 items in list. 1 desktop notifications. 2 ease of access.
Ease of access.
Settings. Settings window. Search box. Find a setting, edit blank.
And that just took us to the ease of access for custom settings for accessibility. Close window.
Speaking access.
And let's see, I think that's about it. So that was kind of neat. I really enjoyed those features. Oh, yeah, I wanted to show you navigating the desktop. So you can do show notifications, notification area, access menu,
Now in main menu. 6 items in list. 1 speaking access
navigate
command.
my computer,
Now in navigate my
desktop
computer.
commands,
Have loaded desktop commands. 6 items in list. 1 desktop notifications.
desktop notifications,
Action Center window.
next key,
Manage notifications button.
escape key,
Speaking access.
desktop commands,
Have loaded desktop commands. 6 items in list. 1 desktop notifications. 2 ease of access. 3 desktop run. 4 desktop show icons.
description 4,
Use NAV keys to navigate the icons and enter key to select a program.
desktop show icons,
Notification chevron button.
enter key, up key,
Overflow notification area toolbar.
Enter key.
Soft IV.
escape key,
Notification chevron button.
escape key, show access,
Speaking access.
show WordPad,
5 reasons for access WordPad window.
down key,
Rich text blank.
down key,
4 put these. 5 it does not require an internet
down key.
connection.
So that's the final question. Does it require an internet connection? Open post mode,
Post mode is now ready.
Windows key,
Start window. Search window. Search box edit blank.
Wi-Fi,
Wi-Fi.
post,
WiFi settings. System settings. Press right to switch preview 1 of 3.
enter key,
Settings. Settings window. WiFi
Space
toggle
bar?
button pressed. Space. Not
So-
pressed.
So I just shut off the internet,
So I just shut off the internet.
close post mode,
Main task area. Ready.
close
Post mode needs to be on and have some text to work with.
close window,
5 reasons for access WordPad window.
show WordPad,
Rich text window edit multi-line connection.
show Notepad,
Star demo to notepad.
show access,
Text editor. Speaking access.
access menu,
Have loaded main menu. 6 items in list. 1 speaking access commands. 2 screen reader menu.
speaking access commands,
Have loaded speaking access commands.
access sound effects,
Presently in access sound effects. 3 items in list.
access the ocean please. I'll leave on that soothing sound. I'll add some more sound effects so it doesn't get boring. So thank you. I think I've got all that across. That was obviously required no internet connection, and it still has no interconnection. So if you found this interesting and you're excited, I'm just debugging right now and needed a break and debugging. So this is a great way to debug. And there you go. So please subscribe and have a look around, and bye bye.